guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another video. So yeah guys, today I'm going to be making some strong back punch step by step, guys. So this, so if you want something to just spruce up your love life and give more vibes, I think you can make this a part of your daily diet, depending on other health issues and so forth. Because me go use alcohol beverage, so if you can't drink nothing with alcohol in it, you can just improvise and just skip out the two things them with alcohol in it. But me, I go put alcohol in my one. So yeah guys, remember guys to subscribe. Also follow me on my Instagram page, guys. Let's get me to 20,000. I'm at 11,000 right now on my Instagram, so get me to that. Also follow you follow me on Instagram at Fanika TV, same as my YouTube channel. Also follow me at Facebook at Erica Shackelford. And guys, don't know watch my eye here, like me allergic to cat and me have cat on my heart, so that's why my eye kind of swell. So stay tuned guys for this beautiful video, and don't be afraid to comment down below, guys. Comment down below because I'm gonna be showing you guys the different ingredients that I'm going to be using in this sponge. So all right guys, so I have all of my ingredients so I'm gonna use to make the strong back for all of the lazy wheat back one them. So yeah, I have this milk. I could get the milk one. I never want the nutri one, right? I never want the one here. I'm gonna use some peanuts, right, and the bag of buff. I have them here to taste up the punch. Then I just taste up and give it a nice smell, but they don't really have no other purpose. And I also have some young banana, guys, that I'm gonna use, which is very rich in iron. So for instance, something rich in iron, you know, it will give you strength, extra strength and everything. And I'm gonna use guineas. Oh, I'm gonna put vanilla in it too, guys. I have guineas and I have dragon. So these are the things that I'm going to be using for my punch. And stay tuned guys for the making. I'm not showing you how I'm gonna make it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I go cut up them here because I go boil them before I blend them, right? That's how I do it. I don't know about nobody else, but I boil my stuff them. I boil my banana them, right? But I go boil them one specific way because I not take them off of the skin, right? Because I need the skin, and the skin is like the most important part. It has the most iron in it, right? So I remember say we are trying to get the best out of the ingredients. So I'm gonna use the skin. So stay tuned guys, I'm gonna cut these up and get them washed. But I think I'm gonna wash them first before I cut them up. So stay tuned. So water in it. I'm gonna get them and wash. I Go get them washed now, guys. So, Julia use to make sure they wash properly. And a young banana, them guys. Nothing them I can buy. Oh yeah, scan bulb. You see if this picture. drop, guys. It's a drop. Alright, now go. This. There's some water in it as well. My water, guys. When they start, when they cook, we have to take them out, make them cool, cause we have to blend them up and stuff. I will show you what I'm going to do. Here then I have the mixed spice, guys. Let me show you. I'm going to just fry them in, so I just hold on. I'm cover it up first. I'll forget this out. I'm going to make it boil with some of my mixed spice and some of the nutmeg, guys. I'm going to make it boil with the nutmeg as well. Normally, me da make put cinnamon leaf, but me not have none at the moment. So nutmeg. Just mix. Just I make them boil ready. That's the banana and the flavor, because it's like the main ingredients of what I'm doing. So stay tuned, guys. Mix through. Then we start to cook it, guys. Just barely the cinnamon and because we are going to use the water and so
money my woman then away.
yeah, guys, this look like you're ready now.
Aye.
Ready now.
Yeah, so me not pay the money no man. Kind one week.
I make it good on come on first. I make it boil come on, guys. It was next couple minutes.
Hey, and
Alright, guys, come on. I will get this something then blend up. I will get this something then blend up, so it's still kind of so hot as before, but I have to go work. I'm gonna put a little bit of milk in the bottom, right? Right, so.
The breakup was the reason I came back to this country. Sorry now. But you see, the reason I started working, as I told you, is to raise money. And I haven't really worked for like a year. I just worked for 3 months. And if you leave now, that means I won't be able to raise the money I'm looking for. Don't worry, you're such a very lucky girl. You see, everything I own, cars. You see this house? I will leave it for you. And the house of dollars in my drawer. So change it and use it for whatsoever business of it is. And whatever you need, use it called. You're joking, right? You see, actually, your presence brought so much fortune to my life, especially the call I got for my ex. Here I am today. We're together again. So I feel the only way I can reciprocate this good fortune is to give you all of this.
So may open up them. And if it's cool,
Now you tell me, after all these things, washing a woman's body, so many unspeakable things I did to make sure I make that money for you and my family.
once you're in this together. Oh, goodie. Alright. So, goodie blend. Catch me. We boil it. Then do it when we want it, guys. Alright. I will add the rest of stuff them. In it now, guys, so stay tuned. Some of them minting the sweetness, so let's go. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna add in some peanuts, some raw peanuts, guys, for fiber. And it also, I think it also has iron. Get some more milk.
Residents told TVJ News that they are in shock at what took place.
It's just surprising, eh? Surprising not really been a brand for long, not really. So it's just surprising. What has changed over the last few years? Why is it surprising?
Guys, I'm going to sweet in the pan.
You get one now.
I'll put it's full up. Can't ever put everything in.
In the division, we are seeing very well uptick in robberies, not just in St. James, but across several parishes. We have done some work, and we have caught some of the members of that gang, but there are still some persons outstanding that still continue to give us one, two issues.
Inside dragon. I can't put everything in the pen. Can't hold everybody. That way I go there.
How we are doing things now, as a force, is that we have a committee that comes together and we look at the different stations that
Enough food, you know? I just
ensure
food.
that the station is designed to last another 50 years in terms of the facilities that are there. It's community oriented. There's always a community
Look like
space
peanuts
there.
going on.
And so the station, if you want to go by, you can search through. You can go and see.
I'll make this blend up together now.
TVJ News has learned that
Guys, so my strong back punch done. Finish. There we go. Adina. You want cool still? Oh. I want to see if it's smooth. I like it when it's smooth. I'm gonna put it majority if it cool, guys. Backle it out and cool it and have it for drink. Like, although this I got done soon, because you know I will last the whole for the rest of the week. So yeah. You want to see me about it smooth. And that me like. Me not like when me drink it and me taste trash or not. Me not like it. So yeah guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, hit those post notification bells so that you get notified for another video. So guys, I'm gonna make one next strong back video by the end of this week. But just I think well else we mix together. So stay tuned guys. Bye and thank you for watching this video. Cheers.